Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon so you never miss an update. Today, we're diving into a crucial topic for many law students around the world: international law assignment help. If you're struggling with your international law assignments or just looking for some tips and guidance, you're in the right place. Let's get started. What is international law? First things first, let's define what international law is. International law refers to a set of rules, agreements, and treaties that are binding between countries. It governs the relationships and interactions between nations, including trade, war, human rights, and environmental protection. Essentially, it's the legal framework that helps maintain order and cooperation on a global scale. Why is international law important? Now, why is international law so important? Well, it ensures peace and security, facilitates international trade and cooperation, and protects human rights. Without it, the world would be chaotic, with countries acting solely in their own interests without any regard for global consequences. Challenges in international law assignments. Many students find international law assignments challenging for several reasons. Firstly, the subject is vast and complex, involving numerous treaties, conventions, and case laws. Secondly, it requires a deep understanding of not only legal principles but also international relations, politics, and history. Finally, assignments often require critical analysis and application of theoretical knowledge to real-world scenarios. Choosing the right assignment help service. However, it's important to choose the right assignment help service. Here are some tips to help you make an informed decision. 1. Check reviews. Look for reviews and testimonials from other students. This will give you an idea of the quality and reliability of the service. 2. Verify credentials. Ensure that the service has qualified professionals with expertise in international law. Check their qualifications and experience. 3. Assess communication. Good communication is key. Choose a service that is responsive and provides regular updates on the progress of your assignment. 4. Review samples. Ask for samples of their previous work. This will help you gauge the quality of their writing and research skills. 5. Evaluate pricing. While it's important to consider the cost, don't compromise on quality. Look for a service that offers a good balance of affordability and high standards. In conclusion, international law is a fascinating but challenging field of study. With the right approach, resources, and support, you can excel in your assignments and deepen your understanding of this critical area of law. Remember to grasp the basics, stay updated, analyze critically, use reliable sources, and seek help when needed. I hope you found these tips helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to drop a comment below or reach out to us. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more educational content. Until next time, keep learning and stay motivated. Bye.